My name is Karen Thomas, and I am known as the Opportunity Seeker Specialist. As someone who has been an entrepreneur for over 45 years, I love looking at opportunities and I love trying them out. So when I find one that really works easy and only takes a couple hours and makes consistent income, this is my type of opportunity. Now, why do I try so many opportunities? Well, being in the MLM world for over 40 years and having an MLM decide to change the rules to fire me, I've learned that life can change in a heartbeat. But knowing, just like we've come through COVID, how life can change, it's not just opportunities, but life and situations can change in a heartbeat. Having many options for income is the magic. Every millionaire out there has more than one stream of income. So take a look. I'd love to answer any questions. Reach out to me. But when you decide that you're worth taking a few hours for income, I'm going to lock arms with you and we're going to do this together and make money together. So I look forward to seeing you on the other side.